Bang! Neeves Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife, Kara.
Hello.
We were doing an unboxing. We got something in the mail from our good buddy, Chris. And yeah, let's break into this thing. We're pretty excited. I'm pretty sure
we don't know what this is.
I know, I'm pretty sure I do know what this is because...
But like he didn't tell you though.
Yeah, well, yeah, we had like a conversation.
Or you guys had a f***ing side conversation.
No, this was the one he asked me if I liked it. He said he'd send it, and I'm pretty sure it's that one.
Oh, he told me that this was the CPM one today. CPM 154.
Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know.
Technically, we don't know.
No, this is the other one that I think I was looking at.
Okay, so you know what this is.
I've never seen it, like, so I just, okay.
You're not even showing
it.
nobody. Yeah,
before I unbox
you
it.
dug right in.
Yeah. Before I unbox it, he sent a picture and said, hey, do you like this? And I said, hell yeah. And he said, all right, well, I'm going to send it to you. And I didn't think he was going there with it. It's like, oh, cool, that's awesome, you know. And, yeah, so this is tactical weapons.
This is a loaner knife?
No, this is a gift knife.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. This is very awesome.
Thank you,
There we go.
Chris.
Yeah, thank you very much, Chris. We really appreciate this.
I wanna.
Hey, I get the hard work. Go ahead.
Baby.
What? Ha! Chris!
What the hell, Chris?
What are you doing?
That doesn't look like a pocket clip. What's going
That's
on,
awesome.
man?
That's so awesome.
Wow. I'm so weird about accepting things.
I know.
I get all weird.
You know, this means so much because...
He said if he was a YouTube investor, he would invest in us. I guess
know,
that's his
so
investment.
Awesome. And you know what?
That's
People
so
don't
cool.
realize how expensive this really is doing this stuff. Just between...
That's at least like a couple packages we can ship, and that like...
Or
takes...
one. The last package we sent was $70
I mean,
to mail.
That lifts a weight off our shoulders.
That wasn't the last
one. It
one.
really does, though. Like, that's so appreciated.
Yeah. Just the last two packages we had to mail out were over $120. Just, well, 70.
You didn't tell me that.
I'm sorry, 110. Yeah. It was like 30.
What, do you overnight and stuff to your buddies?
No, it wasn't that. It was the
Let's
insurance.
get to the knife, man.
All right, yeah. Sorry, guys.
It's very heavy.
Yeah,
it's shiny.
Let me check this.
No!
Come on!
Oh, I messed up. That is the worst. Okay.
Ooh, see, I like this thing. This thing looks really cool.
So what is this? It says Tactical Weapons ABKT. I don't know what that means. There's the package.
He said it was a budget knife.
Man, I can't do it.
It doesn't look like a budget knife. It looks very nice.
I'm guessing these are steel handles.
Well, let me...
And
damn it.
They look really beautiful. I've never seen steel finished like that on a knife. I like this. I thought it was bigger based off... I did see a picture of it.
Yeah.
And I didn't know this is what was coming today. I like the size. I thought it was bigger.
I'll say it does not look like a budget knife. I see
Wait, one more
D2.
thing.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's D2.
Ooh, I like this
action.
thing. It has very good action. Oh man, it's got some good thumb studs too. I love big thumb studs. This has
They're tall.
This is awesome, Chris. Thank you.
And thank you for the bubble wrap. You know, not enough people send good bubble wrap.
This thing has some really good action.
Acknowledge my comment.
The bubble wrap.
Yes, I just want to make sure you're listening this time.
Okay. It's got a thin profile.
I like that thin handle and the
feels good in
fat
the
blade.
hand. The jimping's not really sharp, so it's not aggressive. It's not the best jimping, but it's still jimping.
I'm not an aggressive jimping person. I like it.
I can
when
take
it's
it or
more
leave it.
chill.
If I want, you know, I like jimping that bites, but it's got like this pinch spot right here though. If you look at the back right there, it's got a pinch spot. That's actually really cool.
The jimping on the back here or this?
This groove,
This, yeah,
that's cool.
That is cool. It actually is more comfortable. So I want to show you guys these. Is this steel liners?
I think so.
It feels almost like a weird.
No, I think it's aluminum.
It feels too heavy.
You know, let me see it really quick. Let me see it really quick so I can let you know.
It feels too heavy to be aluminum.
It's got to be aluminum with steel liners.
Because it's not super magnetic?
It's not magnetic, really, and it doesn't... I mean, maybe it's titanium, but I doubt it, though.
I don't understand what the brand is.
Like
ABKT.
It's confusing. It's very confusing.
I think is the brand, the knife ABKT, and the brand is, this.
We'll look it up after this. You know, this is just the information we have right now. This is a really nice knife. I actually like this a lot.
This is really cool. I didn't think that I was gonna like the skinny handle compared to the large blade. I love it. I think it's great.
Yeah, I
this
really
is freaking
like
awesome.
This is like seems like a good work knife.
Can we middle it?
Bang. I like the blade shape. It has a really cool blade shape.
I like how fat
thin
it
behind the
is.
edge it is. I just want to feel this really quick. Oh, it doesn't get too bad. It's
Now,
not. It's like a good working blade.
Has he used this knife a lot?
I don't think he's used it at all.
Well, because I was say if he has, the coating is
It
obviously
looks like it has
holding
the
up.
stock edge on there. It seems like it. I mean, maybe it's been used. I don't know. The coating's really nice.
Cool. Well, as
This
of
is
now, I freaking
Very
love
comfortable, man. This thing's awesome. Thank you, Chris.
it. Hollow grind?
I think.
It's like hard to tell.
Yeah, it is. I think it's a hollow though. Yeah,
It's
this
pretty
has got.
thin.
Yeah, this is a hollow. But the blade, the blade is thin itself, and then it has a hollow. But not like a crazy deep hollow, but a hollow though. At least it seems like a hollow. And let's show the middle finger edge. Ooh, yeah, it's got some good middle finger edge. I like this thing, man.
I know.
I love knives that come with 3 ways of deployment. You got the flick, or the flip, the flick, and then the middle finger flick, which is awesome. Very cool, Chris. Thank you very much. We will be doing
You said those action names all wrong.
what's that?
All
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Perfect centering.
You did.
No, I said
No, I'll tell you.
flip, the flick, and the flick.
It's the flip, the flop, and the flack. Flip, flop, flack.
Okay, flip, flop, flack. Thank you, Chris. We appreciate you, buddy. Thank you for the extra present, and you always blow us away. You always treat us so good. We can't thank you enough, man. This is.
I'm honestly like don't know what to say. I'm
I
kind
know
of
you
at a
said
loss
this is
for
a budget
words.
knife, but this seems like a really good knife.
I like it.
I could. Let me still lock up.
I like it a lot.
Exactly where I'd want lock
I
up.
like knife.
The lock bar's directly underneath.
I love knife.
I like knife.
I love lamp.
I love lamp. I love lamp.
Thanks, bud. This is gonna definitely.
I can't wait to use it.
I can't wait to sharpen it.
Let's go use it.